Carlos Yulo magki-quit na daw sa gymnastic.
Titigil na ako mag-gymnastic kasi hindi ko na kaya.
No! God, please, no! No!
When hard time comes, it's easier to quit, di ba? Right?
Hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
But have you ever thought, what if you keep going instead?
Kaya ko to, walang tulog.
Sometimes our emotion controls our choices. Pag nahihirapan tayo, parang gusto na lang nating sumuko.
Kakamali ka. Hindi kita pinabayaan. May ginagawa akong paraan. Nag-give up ka lang.
When we face challenges, it feels it's easier to give up. But let me tell you about Carlos Yulo.
Over some years now,